Welcome to our channel Agrobiotech. Stay tuned till the end of this video. In this video we'll show you how to use insulin plant to cure diabetes. Fiery costus or spiral flag is a herbal plant from Costaceae family native of Brazil. In India, it is known as insulin plant because of its use in Ayurveda and Siddha medicine to treat diabetes. The leaves of the plant are dark green and fleshy. The plant grows up to a height of about 2 feet with a number of broad lengthy leaves forming around the stem like a spiral. The plant is mainly used for its anti-diabetic properties even though it contains many other medicinal properties. There are studies that suggest the usage of the plant in the treatment of asthma and bronchitis. The study on the contents of the insulin plant and its application in modern medical field is in initial stages only. Only during recent years some authenticated studies and the observations have been revealed. The recipe here is simple and is a healthy way to consume the leaves of insulin plant. You can consume this raita daily as accompaniment for rice bread and roti. We can make this recipe in just 2 minutes. These are the ingredients required to make insulin leaves raita. 2 leaves insulin leaves, 1 cup homemade yogurt or curd, 1 teaspoon pepper, ½ teaspoon salt. If you are unable to prepare yogurt at home, you can buy plain yogurt and use that. Chop the insulin leaves using a knife or a pair of scissors. The leaves are crunchy in texture and can be chopped well. Keep the chopped leaves aside. These leaves taste mildly sour and are suitable for making raita. Add the chopped leaves to yogurt. Use fresh yogurt for making raita. Mix well. Add a teaspoon of ground pepper and a pinch of salt to the yogurt. Mix all the ingredients together. The raita is now done. You can also refrigerate it for a while and serve it chilled. It is established that results of regular consumption of insulin plant can be seen only after 15 days of consumption. Tips for growing insulin plant. This plant needs sunshine to grow. It can be grown in fields as well as in home gardens where adequate sunshine is available. It is a perennial plant. The stem cuttings are planted and grown. No seed is required. The leaves are sweet and sour and you can consume it raw. So far, the plant is known to contain many nutrients beneficial to health. The plant is rich in protein, iron and antioxidants like ascorbic acid, tocophenol, beta-carotene, terpenoids, steroids and flavonoids. The plant contains carbohydrates, terpenoids, alkaloids, tannins and saponins. The leaves contain 21.2% fiber. The leaf extract contain petroleum ether, cyclohexane, acetone and ethanol. Significant amounts of potassium, calcium, chromium, copper and zinc are available in the plant. The phenolic substances in the plant are responsible for the antioxidant properties. The antioxidants quercetin and diosgenin in the plant are used in reducing stress in the liver, pancreas and kidneys. It also stimulates glycolytic enzymes besides controlling gluconeogenesis in animals affected by diabetics. When insulin leaves are consumed along with other modalities of diabetic treatment, it provides effective glycemic control in diabetic patients. Even in cases where blood sugar level is not controlled by oral drugs, consumption of insulin plant might be effective. In addition to that, consumption of insulin plant regularly reduces the intake of other oral drugs by half the quantity. That's it. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload the new videos. Thank you for watching.